the wound is the place where the light gets in. So for me, the Reaper is the wound. And what Rumi described in this hack, and you know what I'm talking about because there's this film and my mother who is scratching the window, so I have a very personal relation with this notion of cracks, which brought me to be very sensitive to the injury and the Reaper as an oxymoron. The Reaper is an oxymoron. You cannot separate the injury from the Reaper. So that's the first thing. And the second thing that I found very important, and that's why, exactly as you said, Witzke, the idea of creating conversation is a way to address, by the shape of the thinking together, a form of repair, is that repairing is listening.